In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Pomofocus app to boost your productivity. You know, in our busy lives, managing time efficiently is crucial, and Pomofocus is a fantastic tool for staying focused and on track. So let's dive in and see how this simple yet powerful app can help you maximize your productivity. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pomofocus website. Just type in https pomofocus.io in your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by a bright red timer screen set to the default of 25. This is the heart of the Pomofocus system. It's based on the Pomodoro technique, a time management method that uses a timer to break work into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. Next, you'll want to add your task. Look for the Add Task button on the interface and give it a click. A pop-up will appear where you can type in the name of the task you're planning to work on. Let's say you need to write a report. Just type that in. And here's a helpful tip. You can estimate how many 25-minute sessions or Pomodoros you think the task will require. Although this is entirely optional, it's a great way to gauge how much time you should dedicate to a particular task and manage your workload better. Once you're happy with your task entry, click Add to save it. Now, it's time to get to work. Select your newly added task from the list and then hit the start button on the timer. Your 25-minute focus session begins now. During this time, your mission is to work solely on the task you selected. This means avoiding distractions like checking social media, emails, or any other interruptions. The Pomodoro technique is all about laser focus, so keep at it until the timer runs out. With practice, you'll find that these focused sessions can significantly improve your efficiency and productivity. And there you have it. Using Pomofocus is as simple as that. It's an intuitive way to structure your workday, making use of focused bursts of productivity followed by refreshing breaks. In the next session, we'll explore some strategies on how to incorporate breaks effectively. So make sure you stick around for more tips. Remember, mastering productivity is all about finding what works best for you, and Pomofocus might just be the tool you've been looking for. Thanks for watching, and happy focusing.